So hey everyone, in this video we are going to see how to import playlist to Plex, M3U, Spotify, Apple Music option and library setup. So method first is import M3U playlist. Prepare your playlist in .m3u format. Open Soundiz or Musconv. Click on import playlist. Select from file and upload your .m3u file. Review and confirm that all tracks match correctly. Select Plex, add the destination for the transfer. Confirm the transfer to complete the process. Your playlist will appear inside Plex. Second method is transfer from Spotify or Apple Music. Visit the Soundiz website. Connect your source platform like Spotify or Apple Music. Then select the playlist you wish to transfer. Choose Plex as your destination. Initiate the transfer process. Set up Plex music library. Open Plex and navigate to setting. Go to libraries and select add library. Choose music as the library type. Add your music folder to the library. Click add library to confirm. Open the music library, then click dots and select scan library files. Wait for the song to appear in the library. Thanks for watching.